99% of cars never reach 200,000 miles, but one Toyota truck crossed 1 million miles, and engineers found almost zero wear inside. This is real. A study of 400 million vehicles found the average car dies at 156,470 miles, but the Toyota Sequoia has a 39.1% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That's 8 times the average. Same roads, same gas, different destinies. Here's the scary part. 50% of American cars are overdue for serious maintenance right now. They're ticking time bombs. You're about to discover the secrets behind cars that reach 500,000 miles. You'll learn why Toyota and Honda dominate, and why luxury brands often fail first. By the end, you'll know what makes a car last forever or die early. The graveyard number. Every day, thousands of cars take their final trip to the junkyard. Government data shows the average car dies at just 156,470 miles. That's where most cars give up forever. But here's the heartbreaking part. Only 1% of cars ever reach 200,000 miles. That means 99 out of 100 cars fail before hitting that number. Yet some cars blow past 300,000, even 500,000 miles. So what separates the survivors from the failures? The answer hides inside an engineering philosophy that one company mastered long ago. The simplicity secret. The longest-lasting cars share one secret: simplicity. Simple engines last longer than complex ones. Every extra part is another thing that can break. Toyota's 22R engine proves this perfectly. A basic 2.4-liter design with minimal electronics. These engines cross 500,000 miles. Some hit 1 million. Just regular oil changes. Nothing fancy. But here's what most buyers miss. Modern cars are packed with turbochargers and complex systems, more features, more failure points. Simplicity doesn't sell, but it survives. Yet there's another secret hiding inside the factories where these legendary cars are built. The factory philosophy. In the 1950s, Toyota was a small company fighting to survive. They couldn't compete on size or resources, so they invented something new: the Toyota production system. One radical idea changed everything. Eliminate waste. Build it right the first time. Every worker could stop the line if something was wrong. But there's a deeper secret. It's called Kaizen. Continuous improvement. Small changes. Proven designs. No risky experiments, just decades of refinement. That's why Toyota wins reliability awards year after year. But even this system can't guarantee 500,000 miles alone. There's a critical engine choice that decides a car's true fate. The turbo trade-off. Turbocharged engines are everywhere now. Dealers promise power and fuel economy in one package. Sounds perfect, but there's a hidden cost. The average turbo lasts just 150,000 miles before needing replacement. And that's only one piece of the problem. Intercoolers, wastegates, oil lines, boost sensors, more parts, more failures waiting to happen. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Car companies know turbos are less reliable. They use them anyway for better fuel ratings and flashy numbers. Meanwhile, the simplest engines, no turbo, last the longest. Toyota's 22R, Honda's K-Series. Legends built on simplicity. But choosing the right engine still isn't enough. There's one thing most owners ignore completely. Until it's too late. The maintenance equation. The best engineered car will die early without one thing: maintenance. The math is simple. Spend a little now, or spend a fortune later. Here's the proof. Preventive maintenance gives you a 545% return on investment. Reactive repairs cost 3 to 9 times more. A timing belt at 90,000 miles costs a few $100s. But if it snaps at 95,000, your engine is destroyed. Right now, 50% of American cars are overdue for serious service. They're driving toward disaster without knowing it. $50 to $75 per month keeps a Toyota running for a decade. Skip it. and one transmission failure costs $4,000. But even perfect maintenance can't save every car. Some vehicles are designed to be expensive from day one. The luxury trap. Luxury cars promise premium quality, but the data tells a different story. BMW costs $15,600 to maintain over 10 years. Mercedes-Benz costs up to $17,000. Meanwhile, Toyota and Honda cost just $6,000 to $9,000. That's less than half. Here's the painful truth. Luxury means complexity, and complexity breaks down. Air suspension, advanced electronics, specialized parts, more systems, more expensive failures. One mechanic said it best. They fail because people treat them like a Toyota and don't maintain them. Even mechanics who fix luxury cars refuse to own them. They drive Japanese cars instead. But one technology is breaking all expectations. It was supposed to be less reliable, but it's proving everyone wrong. The hybrid revolution. Everyone said hybrids would fail, batteries would die, repairs would be expensive. But the data tells a different story. 5 hybrids now rank in the top 25 longest-lasting vehicles. The Toyota Highlander hybrid has a 31% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That's 6.5 times the industry average. Here's the twist. Hybrid systems actually reduce stress on engines and brakes. Regenerative braking saves your brake pads. Electric motors take pressure off the gas engine. The technology everyone doubted is now outlasting traditional cars. But reliability alone won't get you to 500,000 miles. There are critical moments where one wrong choice can destroy everything. The critical milestones. Every car has invisible checkpoints that decide its fate. Miss them, and your car dies early. Here's the map. 60,000 miles. Timing belt, spark plugs, filters. 100,000 miles. Transmission fluid. Skip this and it's over. 150,000 miles. Seals and gaskets need serious attention. But here's the trap. Some maintenance can't be done late. Wait too long on transmission fluid. And changing it can cause damage. The window closes forever. Most owners don't realize this until it's too late. But there's one fluid more important than all the rest. The oil truth. Engine oil is your car's lifeblood. Without it, metal grinds against metal. And your engine destroys itself. Here's what most people get wrong. Manufacturer intervals are set by marketing departments. Not engineers. Cars that reach 500,000 miles get oil changes more often than recommended. Every 5,000 miles or less, especially for turbo engines. The million-mile Tundra, meticulous oil changes every single time. Engineers open that engine expecting heavy wear. They found parts that looked almost new. That's the power of clean oil. But even perfect oil changes aren't enough without understanding one final truth: the statistical champions. The data is clear. Numbers don't lie. Toyota Sequoia, 39.1% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That's 8 times the industry average. Toyota 4Runner, 32.9%. Highlander Hybrid, 31%. Meanwhile, the average car, just 4.8%. Toyota overall averages 17.8%, nearly 4 times better than typical. These aren't opinions. This is 400 million vehicles of proof. Same roads, same gas. Completely different odds. Now comes the final truth that changes everything. The secret was never hidden. Engineering times, manufacturing times, maintenance equals longevity. Change any factor to 0, and the equation collapses. The million-mile Tundra wasn't luck. It was simplicity, quality, consistent care. Now you know the exact formula. The real question is, what will you do with it? Your next car, your next oil change, your next decision. The road to 500,000 miles starts right now. Now you know the truth. Engineering, manufacturing, maintenance. Three forces creating 500,000-mile cars. This isn't luck, it's smart choices and consistent care. If this helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more insights that save you money. Share this with someone buying a car. You might save them thousands. Now tell me, what's the highest mileage you've ever seen? Drop it in the comments. Let's see if the champions show up. Your story might help someone else reach the same milestone.